Hi everyone, this is Jarle from Handmade Cards Happy Heart. Thanks for joining. I hope you'll enjoy today's video and let's dive right into the unboxing of my Cloud9 Crafts package. As always, I got a personal note from Yuki on that cute cloud note card. This is something I always look forward to. There's lots of confetti here, but the first thing that I'm grabbing is a free goodie. And it's actually a small square card with a matching envelope. Then next is this business card of Cloud9 Crafts. I wish all business cards were this cute. And this is a piece of patterned paper, also a free goodie. I think it's from Lawn Fawn. Actually, I think it's from their latest paper pad, the pin-sized summertime patterns or something like that. I actually think it's of that collection. And then here I am unpacking a refill of the Faber-Castell pencil. I actually tried to find it here, but it's probably in my briefcase for work or something, because I use those mechanical pencils all the time. Actually, I should probably purchase another one. So there's one dedicated for my crafts and one dedicated for work. And then here's this cute balloon. Then here's something else for free, that little yellow heart. I think it's candy, but I'm not sure. I think I have to confirm with Yuki before I eat it. I think it's edible because she always includes some candy, because she knows me. She knows all her customers, really. So then you saw that enjoy sticker there. And I always use these kind of stickers for sealing my envelopes, and I love that she includes this often, like almost every time. And then I have this new Distress ink pad in the color Antique Linen, which is my favorite ink for no-line coloring. And I've been wanting to do some no-line coloring for a while now, but I moved recently and my ink pads kind of magically disappeared. So I actually tried a few of those inks for no-line coloring, but this is by far my favorite. I don't do Copic no-line coloring. I am terrible at it. So when I'm doing no-line coloring, it's always with watercolors like Distress inks or regular watercolors. And then this is a refill for my art glitter glue, and this is by far my favorite liquid adhesive. And I have tried a ton of adhesives. But I think I've been using this one for a year now, and I will definitely not go back. Because I really like it so much. You see that little metal tip there, and this prevents it from clogging, so I get good results every time. I also use dry adhesives. I think it depends on the moment and it depends on the purpose. But for dry adhesives, I have my Gina K tape runner and I have a Scotch ATG gun, and I love both. But for liquid adhesive, I really love this art glitter glue. And then here's a little transparent plastic bag, and it reminded me of a packaging for chocolates. And I live in Belgium, so we kind of live for chocolates here. Then the next thing I'm unpacking here is a die set from My Favorite Things, and it's the typewriter. It's an older die set, but it's been on my wish list for a while now, so this month I finally decided to get it. There were no other big releases this month from Lawn Fawn or whatever, so that's always great for adding older things to my craft room. I'm always excited with new things. And then this one that I'm unpacking now, I was really excited about this one. You see, Lawn Fawn came out with coloring stencils, and for now there are 3. Now I did only purchase 2 of them now, because I wanted to try them out first. So I have here the treat card stencils and the Whoosh Kites stencils, and Critters in the Desert is the other one. And what I love is that you can mix it up, because I find coloring the least fun part of creating. So I'm really excited about this type of product. So don't shoot me, because I know other people love coloring with their markers, but I just personally, I don't find it that relaxing. And on the other hand, I absolutely love inking and I love stenciling. And I mean, everyone's different and everyone finds joy in other things. So it's actually great that stamping companies come out with something for everyone. And I know that other companies, I know that Pink Fresh Studio has some, and Altenew, that these companies, they have come out with stencils where you can like color images with their stencils, but those were mostly like flowers and such. And I actually didn't think it was possible to make these kind of stencils for those small Lawn Fawn images. So I'm really, really happy, and I will try this out soon, so definitely watch my channel if you're interested in that. And then there's another free goodie, a little straw with an umbrella, so perfect for these summer months. And then on the right there you can see that sea star, that's a little bit of decoration. And I hold on to these types of goodies to embellish gift packages myself. And there's a lot of confetti in this package. Probably because of the new release from Lawn Fawn with those coloring stencils. But here, super excited. I have those 2 cardstocks. I have Crafts, which is a refill, and that new lilac color. It's such a pretty color, and it's available now at Cloud9 Crafts store. And I ran out of the Crafts. It's a great neutral, and I also use it to like color images with colored pencils. I think it's a great paper for that as well. And then here I'm unpacking 2 great things. I was really looking forward to these 2 things. So these are 2 storage boxes from Tailored Expressions. I think it's called Simple Storage. I think, yeah, because I recently purchased the ink cubes from Concord and Ninth, and I thought these boxes were great to store all the ink cubes, and I'll fill those boxes in just a minute. I had those original ink cubes from Concord and Ninth for a while now, and I know that last year they came out with some other colors. Because I was so happy with the original colors, I now bought the other cubes as well. And what I really love about those Concord and Ninth inks is, first of all, it's a great color selection. I really, really love all the colors, and they complement each other very well. But what I really like is the foam pad. So Concord and Ninth inks have a foam pad, and I really prefer foam pads to the felt pads. It's kind of squishy, the foam pads, and I know it's different for everyone. Some people love felt, some people love foam. I think you have to try out and test out different options and see what you like best. But I'm really in love with all those colors from Concord and Ninth, so I'm happy that I finally got the full set now. So I love that this box is transparent, and I also have distress ink cubes, and I have these in a different box. So the storage tin from Tim Holtz. So I have different storage for my different kind of inks. So it's super easy to grab while I'm creating. When I need my distress inks, I know where they are, so I can pull them out anytime. So this is it. Not a very big haul, but I'm happy with it. I also love all the goodies that were included again. When you shop at Cloud9 Crafts, it's always a party in a box. I will try out those lawn fawn stencils very, very soon, so definitely keep an eye on that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy crafting. Bye!